friends! Today we're doing a walking tour of downtown Culver City. This part of Los Angeles is one of my personal favorites because of the amazing restaurants here, the incredible selection of happy hours. There is so much great shopping here in Culver City also, and Culver City has an incredible Hollywood history. So come along as we explore this exciting part of LA. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Jen of Jen on the Run, and I'm always running around the world. On my channel, I share travel tips so that you can travel more mindfully and have a really authentic experience when you travel. If you like this video so far, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a like and subscribe. We're releasing a new video every week. We just finished up at the Culver Steps. It was so nice. Tonight there's sound on the steps, which happens every Thursday night from 6 to 8 p.m. And right here behind me is the Culver Studios. Culver Studios has been around since like 1918, and it's really the heart of Culver City. Culver City is one of the few birthplaces of Hollywood in Los Angeles, and actually Gone with the Wind was shot here. They don't do tours here, unfortunately. I think actually Amazon operates out of there now, but it's certainly cool to look at. I know that there's a lot of Hollywood history here. We're standing right outside the Culver Hotel, which is a really historic hotel in Culver City. Munchkins from The Wizard of Oz stayed at this hotel while they were shooting the film. The film was actually shot about a block away at MGM Studios, which is now Sony Pictures. And the rumor is that the Munchkins actually slept through to a bed while they were staying here. There was 124 actors, so they needed to fit through to a bed. Got a dessert haul. I am so excited to show you all the desserts and pastries that we got. They look so good. Okay, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, you might not know that I'm a total foodie. And also welcome, by the way, if this is your first time watching, but I'm a complete foodie, so I'm so excited to dig into this bag of pastries that we got here. I also have a huge sweet tooth, so this is heaven. Okay, so before we dive into desserts, I'm gonna show you, I actually got some chimichurri. Gran Casino Bakery is Argentinian, and they sell an amazing chimichurri sauce. If you don't know what chimichurri is, it's this amazing sauce made with parsley, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, red wine vinegar. It's like really acidic-y and just really good. They have my favorite chimichurri anywhere in the city, and it was only like $6. For the best part, the desserts, what we've all been waiting for. Here they are. Look, we got this big old box. We got all these other cookies. This one with jam in the center. That's real cute. These Mexican wedding cookies, which are my favorite. I really love those. They're like powdered sugar and shortbread. Okay, we got this. I don't know what this is, but it looks really good. It's like a cookie with like chocolate sandwiched in it. I got this, which is like a traditionally Argentinian cookie with chocolate, dulce de leche in the middle. I can't wait to have that. And of course, last but not least, my little rainbow cupcake, which I'm gonna have right now. That's pretty good. Not the best cupcake I've had, actually. But I like the rainbow. Oh yeah, that's edible. So let me tell you a little bit about my personal experience with Culver City. I've lived in LA now for almost 15 years, and I've been coming to Culver City for a long time. I've seen this area change, it's really grown, and so much has developed here, it's pretty wild. I loved coming to downtown Culver City during my lunch break and eating at all the different restaurants. I used to come to the Tender Greens here. There was this great barbecue chicken spot that's actually no longer there. There's a sushi restaurant that's still over there. This is a part of LA that I really love that a lot of tourists who come here actually might not pay attention to so much because it's really easy to miss. But Culver City really is a gem. It's changed so much over the years. It's also really accessible by public transit. The metro is just a couple blocks from downtown, and a couple of years ago they extended the metro, so now you can take the Expo line all the way from downtown to the beach. One of the most important stops, of course, being in Culver City. This area has seen major revitalization because major companies have moved their offices here, like Amazon and Apple. And also, this city has really transformed the way people can get around. There's now new bike lanes and bus lanes going throughout the downtown area, which I think really adds a great feature to the accessibility. There's also scooters that you can get around on, which is great. However, it's a little bit frustrating, I guess, for someone who drives a car because now the car lane going through downtown Culver City is just limited to one lane. So that's caused a bit more congestion going through that area. It's great for public transit, great for being on foot, but a little bit more challenging in recent years, especially with so many people moving to this part of town for all of the many wonderful features that it has. It creates a bit more of a crowded environment where, if you believe it or not, 15 years ago, there really weren't that many people here. All right, friends, that's it for today. Thanks so much for joining me on my walking tour of downtown Culver City. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for a new video every week.